it's not really limited to just as colors. This could be for typography and border radii and various drop shadows and things like that. So if there's Starbucks has their main organization, and then they launch some sub brand e-commerce thing where it's maybe they're selling I don't know, coffee mugs. So they get to utilize the original design system that was created for Starbucks in card components and heroes and all the different things that are there. But then because of a finely tiered token system, we're creating values that are associated not with concrete names that are more of like a hierarchy, like a primary color, a primary cover color, a secondary, tertiary, something like that. Then when they inherit those values from the system that they're working within, so this theme then applies the new values to that name. And since the name doesn't have any concrete identification to it, we're not calling it primary orange, just calling it primary, then the system theme then gets applied to this new application, and you have what looks like a brand new site, but you're still leveraging all of that work that was done for the foundational elements, those foundational components that were a part of that parent level or that base level, whichever way you look at it.